welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing some Battle Cats. I've done this special stage because this is the last stage of Pity Gift and I want that rare ticket. And we might even be able to roll it on camera if we win. Highly unlikely. This is my normal strategy, try and speed out their units. Got the job. Hit the base. Imagine we can actually just kill the base. Should have got cat CPU, but I only have like 4 of them. Oh no, guy is dead. Yes, he's dead. Go back. Die. Two minutes. That's probably took 4 minutes to like speed up, but isn't so satisfying getting that savage blow sound like. Right, let's do this. I'm summoning on Iron Legion because I need to get Ultra Form on a special little unit. Oh, Metal Cat! Yay! How much MP is he? He's only 15. How much XP? Oh, he's a million. He looks good though. I'll use him.